हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे गांधी जयंती संबंधित कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वेयर वॉज महात्मा गांधी बोर्न? ए पोरबंदर, बी राजकोट, सी अहमदाबाद, डी दिल्ली। राइट आंसर पोरबंदर। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी वॉज बोर्न ऑन ए 5 अक्टूबर 1896, बी 3 अक्टूबर 1840, सी 2 अक्टूबर 1869, डी 10 अक्टूबर 1880। राइट आंसर 2 अक्टूबर 1869। इन द मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी फैमिली ट्री, हु आर रलियात बेन लक्ष्मीदास एंड करसनदास? ए uncles and aunts, B siblings from same mother Putlimai, C half brothers and sister, D Mohandas first cousins. Right answer siblings from same mother Putlimai. What is Gandhiji's father's name? A Jawaharlal, B Karamchand, C Putlibai, D Mohandas. Right answer Karamchand. How old was Gandhiji when he married Kasturba Kapadia and how many children did they have? A 13 and 4, B 14 and 4, C 15 and 3, D 16 and 3. Right answer 13 and 4. About how old was Gandhiji when he reached London to become a barrister? A 20 years, B 19 years, C 21 years, D 18 years. Right answer 19 years. Name the Tamil girl martyred at 16, whom Gandhiji has gone on record as saying was an inspiration for him to stay the course in the fight for equality in South Africa. A. Thillaidi Valiamma, B. Thillaidi Sivgami, C. Sivgami Nachiyappan, D. Sedapatti Valiamma. Right answer Thillaidi Valiamma. Gandhiji confessed his guilt of stealing for the purpose of smoking in a letter, promising never to steal in future and asking for adequate punishment. To whom was this letter addressed? A. Father, B. Mother, C. Elder brother, D. Friend. Right answer Father. Who of the following is considered the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Motilal Nehru, D. Rajgopalachari. Right answer Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which of the following newspapers was not published by Mahatma Gandhi? A. Navjeevan, B. Harijan, C. Vande Matram, D. Young India. Right answer Vande Matram. Devdas was Gandhiji's A. only child, B. second child, C. eldest child, D. youngest child. Right answer youngest child. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was called Mahatma by A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Motilal Nehru, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Right answer Rabindranath Tagore. During the non-cooperation movement, which award did Gandhiji return? A. Knighthood, B. Rai Bahadur, C. Kaisari Hind, D. Hind Kesari. Right answer Kaisari Hind. An incident that took place on the night of 7th June 1893 acted as a catalyst for Gandhiji to fight against race and color prejudices. Where and what? A. Durban and being denied entry to a hotel, B. Pietermaritzburg station and being thrown out of a first-class compartment. C. Natal and denied entry to a place of worship. D. Pretoria and being thrown out of a first-class compartment. Right answer Pietermaritzburg Station and being thrown out of a first-class compartment. Gandhiji's The Story of My Experiments with Truth was originally written in Gujarati, who translated it into English. A. Maganlal Gandhi. B. Mahadev Desai. C. Pyarelal. D. Sushila Nair. Right answer Mahadev Desai. After many campaigns, activities, and arrests in South Africa, Gandhiji returned to India for good on 9th January 1915. How is the date commemorated? A. Ghar Vapsi Divas. B. Pravasiya Bharat Divas. C. Swadeshi Divas. D. Swatantra Divas. Right answer Pravasiya Bharat Divas. When did Mahatma Gandhi return to India from South Africa? A. 1918. B. 1910. C. 1915. D. 1905. Right answer 1915. When was the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? A. 1 March 1932. B. 5 March 1931. C. 10 March 1935. D. 7 March 1937. Right answer B. 5 March 1931. When was Mahatma Gandhi arrested during the Quit India movement of 1942? A. 7 August 1942. B. 30 April 1942. C. 9 August 1942. D. 5 July 1942. Right answer 9 August 1942. In late 1919, Gandhiji assumed the editorship of two publications. Name both. A. Harijan and New India. B. Navjivan and Indian Opinion. C. Navjivan and Young India. D. Young India and Harijan. Right answer Navjivan and Young India. At which one of the following places did Mahatma Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India? A. Ahmedabad. B. Bardoli. C. Champaran. D. Kyuda. Right answer Champaran. On 22nd September 1921, what momentous decision did he take in Madurai that changed the way the world looked at him? A. Decided to become a vegan. B. Decided to wear only loincloth, dhoti and shawl. C. Stopped wearing footwear. D. Travel only by foot and third-class train. Right answer B. Decided to wear only loincloth, dhoti and shawl. Who is the author of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan Vaishnav Jana To Tene Kahiye? A. Purandar Das. B. Shyamal Bhatt. C. Narsi Mehta. D. Sant Gyaneshwar. Right answer Narsi Mehta. Who first referred Gandhiji as Rashtriya Pitha, father of the nation? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer Subhas Chandra Bose. 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, is internationally observed as A. Non-Violence Day. B. Vegetarians Day. C. Martyrs Day. D. Communal Harmony Day. Right answer Non-Violence Day. At which of the following sessions of the Indian National Congress did Gandhiji preside as the president? A. Lucknow 1916. B. Lahore 1929. सी कैलकटा 1917, डी बेलगाम 1924। राइट आंसर बेलगाम 1924। Which great personality paid this wonderful tribute to Gandhiji? Generations to come will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. A. Franklin Roosevelt. B. King George VI. C. Albert Einstein. D. Mohandas' first cousins. Right answer Albert Einstein. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhi? A. Annie Besant. B. Mridula Sarabhai. C. Muthu Lakshmi. D. Sarojini Naidu. Right answer Sarojini Naidu. Gandhiji organized Dandi March in 1930 against A. Atrocities on Harijans. B. Repression of the Congress. C. Imposition of tax on salt. D. The Communal Award. Right answer Imposition of tax on salt. Which of the following movements was not started by Gandhiji? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Swadeshi movement. Right answer Swadeshi movement.